Best must have Shopify apps to increase sales. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on the best must have Shopify apps to increase your sales. So let's get into it. If you run a store on Shopify and if you're just starting your e-commerce business online and you're using shopify.com, we know that on Shopify we can add different apps to actually customize the store and to improve our user experience. There are a lot of applications that we get with apps.shopify.com. A lot of people are confused all the time that what are the different apps out there that will help you increase your sales, that will help you get more sales and make more money. So that's what we will cover today, and I'll show you that what are the different apps that you should definitely check out if you have a store on Shopify. So let's get into it. The first app that I want you guys to check out is going to be the Bundles Upsell, which is for your Piggy store. Now, what happens with Bundles Upsell is that we will be able to manage our store better, because if your store is managed better and if your store has the capacity to manage with bulk products to actually help you, customize your product, where you can actually customize the shop look, where you can create discounts, you have quality breaks, and you have different cart upsell and drawers. So that's what this app gives us. On this app, what we will be able to do is we will be able to create quality breaks and discount for our customers, and that's what attracts our customer to our store and we make more sales. So you can go to the Bundles Upsell, which is Picky Store right here. This is what it looks like. You can click to add app, and you can see we have 330 reviews, 5-star reviews available. It is compatible with my store as well. It also allows you to customize your store design and is used for marketing and conversion. So if you're looking for a conversion and sales platform, then you should definitely check out the Bundles Upsell. There is a free plan available. This is why I really like the apps that have a free plan, because that helps you as a complete beginner. That helps us a lot. And then there is a free trial too. Let me give you a quick guide to the pricing plan. So there is a free plan available for the upsell, this one, and you can see all features included: unlimited bundles, combos, kits, lookbooks, builders, and gifts, integrations available. Then we have a plan for $950 per month, $24.50 per month, $49.50 per month. So go ahead and check out this app for sales and to customize and to grow the revenue of your store better. Moving on, we have an app for the currency change. The next app that you must have on your store is going to be any multi-currency converter. Why we should have a multi-currency converter on our store? Because let's say you are a user, we are kind of like used to getting prices in USD, but you go to a store and they have actually added the price in euros and they have added the price in maybe rupees. We don't understand that, and we want to know that how we will buy it as a customer. So if your store has a multi-currency converter, I go to a store and I can convert their currency into my currency. That will help me a lot, and I will be able to buy something, and it will be a good user experience. So that's what we focus on. And if you do not have a multi-currency converter on your store, then you should definitely go ahead and add one. I will suggest going for a multi-currency converter hero, which is an app available on Shopify App Store. It is under the store design section. The price is going to be free. It is completely free. There is no pricing plan for this. That is why I really like this app. It is an auto currency converter, and my customers will be instantly be able to switch the currency and it allows our international customers to enjoy the seamless experience. Then you can see it's a very basic app, very easy to use, and it has 4.8 rating. Go ahead and check out multi-currency converter hero to actually add a multi-currency converter to your store. Moving on, we have another sales app for you. So this is going to be the custom report. If you do not have a store management app, then you should definitely check out MyPlar on shopify.com. So this is an app for the store management on order and shipping. This helps us, as you can tell by the name, custom reports. This app helps us to create custom reports. We will be able to export our reports in CSV, Excel, or Google Drive. We will be able to check different insights to our store that what's happening. So this is very good for reports to actually understand, to make reports, to check out the tax, inventory, everything. There is a free plan available and a 7-day free trial. So you can see we have a free plan where I will be getting daily email reports. We have export option, chat support available. Then we have it for basic Shopify plan for $19.99 per month. And then we have this one, which is $34.99 per month. We will get more options. And then we have advanced, which is going to be $89.99 per month. So you can go ahead and add this one, the custom report app, to your Shopify. Moving on, we require an email marketing app definitely for our Shopify store. If you do not have this, any email marketing platform integrated to your Shopify, you must do it. I will suggest going for Klaviyo, which is an email marketing and SMS. And Klaviyo is actually becoming really famous nowadays when it comes to the integration with Shopify, because with Klaviyo we can not only just send email marketing campaigns to our customers, but we can also send them SMS campaigns, and we can create flows, for example abandoned cart flow, welcome series. So it's a really good platform to go for. So you can go ahead and check out Klaviyo, which is the email marketing and SMS app. You can add it to your Shopify. There is a free plan available, free to install, and we will be getting some campaigns for free, some flows. Then we have email for $20 per month and SMS for $5 per month. So it's actually really cheap, Klaviyo. So you can go ahead and add it to your Shopify for the marketing, for email marketing and SMS, to get more sales, of course, and to improve your Shopify business. Moving on, we have the app known as Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay. Now, this is a really interesting app that a lot of people do not know about, and this is a must-have app, I must say. What happens with Lucky Orange is that it helps us with the store management and marketing and conversion. How it works is, how it helps us to increase our sale is, it actually watches our visitor navigate your site to see what's stopping them from buying. So what Orange does for us is, let's say there was a customer, they visited my website and they left after watching my product page. So Orange will show me that when my customer left, and I will get an idea that, okay, so my customer saw this and they left my store, so I need to improve this thing. That's how Orange helps us, and it really helps us to improve our store. It's a really good platform. You can customize your pages with it. You will be able to actually learn about your visitors, see which part of your page drives conversions and which get ignored with heat maps. So this is how we learn with Orange. You can also convert your abandoned carts into your sales. You can use live chat with it. You can check your visitors in real time to see what's happening, what's their problem with your website, and you can improve it. And of course, once you do it, you will be able to get more sales and you will be able to make more money, grow your business. There is a free plan available for Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay as well. And there are pricing plans too. With the free, you will be getting 500 page views, one site, unlimited team members. Then there is a launch plan, which is $9 per month. Then there is a build plan for $18 per month, and grow for $35 per month. So this app is actually really, really helpful and very effective, very efficient, and the price is very reasonable. So you can go ahead and check out Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay. So yeah, guys, these are some of the apps that you must have in your Shopify store if you're looking to increase your sales and grow your business. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.